Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to look up Pokemon cards on TCGPlayer. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are just getting into the game or trading card game and they want to go ahead and price check different Pokemon cards. What's the actual correct way to do this? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that first you want to go ahead and find a Pokemon card. So here we have a Latios, a 203 out of 191. So this is the card here I'm talking about. So if you see this card at your local card shop, I normally get the number of the Pokemon, and then what I'll do is I'll actually type it into TCGPlayer. Now you could actually type this into TCGPlayer or google.com as well, but once you're on the actual listing on TCGPlayer, you'll see some numbers here. So right here, it says there's a near mint holo foil, $43 with free shipping. I kind of take this into account, but what I actually do next is that I'll actually scroll down to where it says the 3-month snapshot, and I'll click on view more data. Once you click on view more data, you're actually going to see the latest sales. So this is a near mint holo foil that's sold for $37. This is a near mint that's sold for $37. Another near mint that sold for $42. Here's some near mint Japanese that sold for $13. So this is what gives me an idea as far as what this card has been selling for within the past couple of days. So these are actual sold listings. So that's how I determine whether or not a Pokemon card is a good deal or not using TCGPlayer. But if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.